Hello dear students, today I am explaining the operators in Python. Okay, in Python we are using so many operators to do some calculations and perform some actions. So first let us discuss what is the operators. Actually operators are some symbols. ये क्या है? एक symbol, that is a symbol that trigger the operations and actions. Basically these symbols are used to do some calculations, some operations, some actions in our operand. Okay, so this is called operators. The data on which operations is being carried out, the objects of the operations are referred to operand. If we are using that a is equal to suppose I am using here a is equal a plus b, okay, sorry, c is equal to a plus b. So here we are using a and b is operator, and here plus sign is operator. Okay, so operators are the symbol that do some actions or that triggered some actions or operations on data. So this is called operators, and the data on which are the data on which the operations are carried out, so it is called operand. Okay, in Python we are using so many operators. First I discussed the arithmetical operators. In just like general maths, we are doing some calculation, addition, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. You are familiar with this. Just like a is equal to a plus b. So this is the arithmetical operators. Floor division, on Python introduced some new concept: floor division, remainder and exponent. Later I will show what is this. Okay, and these arithmetical operators are categorized into, first one is unary operators. Unary operators are do the actions only in one operand. Okay, they are not needed two operand to do the actions. So if we are just apply the operators in a only one operand, so it is called unary operator. For example, if I take one variable c and I am assigning the value -6, and I am just doing triggered unary operator +6 plus c, it mean by -6 plus. Okay, so what's the result? Minus and plus is equal to what? Minus. Okay, so the result is -6. Same thing if I am taken the unary minus sign. Okay, if we are using unary minus sign, so in minus, what's the happen? Minus plus minus equal to प्लस. ओके, सो माइनस और माइनस को जब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या आता है? प्लस. सो हियर इफ आई टेक वैल्यू b इज इक्वल टू -5 एंड आई ट्रिगर्ड वन ऑपरेशन यूनरी ऑपरेटर -b. सो व्हाट्स द -b एंड -5? तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो रिजल्ट विल बी +5. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट बाइनरी ऑपरेटर. द ऑपरेटर्स दैट एक्ट upon two operand are referred to binary operator. Example, addition operator. You are familiar addition operators. Look at here what I am doing. It's add the values of its operand. For example, 4 plus 20 equal to 24. And here I am taken another example. A equal to 2, a plus 6. So it will be increase the values. Okay, like that we just do the calculation. Then subtract operators is subtract the second operand to the first. Okay, suppose here look at 45 minus 9. So what's the result? 36. Again I am showing that second example, a equal to 8 and b equal to 2. So what's the results? 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Then here x is equal to 2. and again I take the x equal to minus 5. So it will it show the expressions 2 minus 5. The result is minus 3. Okay. Now next, multiplication, binary multiplications. So in here it's just do the multiply of two values, two operands. Suppose 3 on here I am taken one example. 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. If I am taken one variable and assign the value just like b equal to 3 and b multiply 3. So what's the expressions? 3 multiply 2. Okay, if you are written the computer, it's show the multiplication as a star sign, not like that. Okay, so here the result is 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. On here minus 6 multiply 2 equal to 6 plus 6 to the 12. So answer is minus 12. Same thing on here, I assign the same value, two values in one line, a comma b equal to 2 comma 5. So here it assigned the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. So a multiply 5, it mean by 2 multiply 5. The result is 10. Now division operator. Division operator's first operand divide by the second operator is always return the results as a float value. If I want to divide the values, so it will be always return the float, not an integer value. Okay, in Python if I want to do the divide, okay, and I am using division operator, so each and every time the results will be in float value. Okay, suppose 4 divided by 2, the result is 2, only integer value, but Python return it in a float format, so it return 2.0. Same thing, 7 divided by 25, so the results will be 2.8, and 100 divided by 32, the result will be 3.125. Now the new concept, float division operator. Float division, the divisions in which only the whole part of the results is given in output and fractional part will be truncate. It will be hide. Suppose I am taken two values, one 15.9. It means by first value is a float value and second value is an integer value. So if we are doing the calculations, 15.9 divided by 3, so it only divide the whole part number. It means by it divide 15 by 3. So return the results 5.0. Same thing if we are doing 7 float division by 3, so it will be written only the whole parts. Okay, whole parts value 2, 3 2 is 6 and 1 it will be skipped. Then module operator, it produce the remainder of dividing the operand by second operand. Okay, float division क्या है, sorry, module operator क्या है, it's operate remainder by dividing the first operator by the second one. Okay, so it will be written 7.2 module 3, so it return 1.20002. Okay, so how it is possible? Added. Okay, so do this practical, it's clear your concepts and your next, exponential operator. It returns the results of a number raised to a power or exponent. For exponent operator 3, so it will be written 64. How it is possible? 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. तो 4 4 जा 16. 16 multiply 4 equal to 64. Okay, so exponent operators are doing the power, whatever power. If I am written here 3, so it will be written 3 exponent. If I write 4 exponent operator 4, so what they are doing the calculation? 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, like that. Okay, so it's a argument assignment operator. Argument assignment operators, just like your arithmetical operators, x is equal to x plus y. If we want to write it in short form, so x plus equal to y, its work same as x is equal to x plus y. Look at here carefully. Okay, same thing if I write x minus equal to y, so it is same work as a x is equal to x minus y. Same x multiply equal to y, so x is equal to x multiply y. Okay, so what the argument assignment operators? If we are giving the in short form that operators, it's called argument assignment operators. Okay,